The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most anticipated drones on the horizon, with excitement building among fans who are eager to see what the next iteration of the popular Mini series will offer. DJI has set the bar high with its compact yet powerful drones, and while the company has introduced even smaller models like the palm-sized DJI Neo for personal vlogging, the Mini series remains a go-to choice for those who want to dive into the world of aerial photography. In today's video, we'll discuss the expected features of the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro and when we might see its official launch. So, let's get right into it. The DJI Mini series has garnered a loyal following, and enthusiasts are hoping for groundbreaking upgrades with the Mini 5 Pro. However, there's a significant challenge that DJI faces in delivering major improvements without breaking the fundamental selling point of the Mini series: its weight. One of the biggest advantages of DJI Mini drones is that they weigh less than 250 grams, which means they don't require an FAA license to fly in the US. This weight limit has become a defining feature, making the Mini drones particularly popular among beginners and hobbyists who want an easy-to-use, hassle-free flying experience. However, this weight constraint has also become one of the series' biggest limitations. Adding features like a larger sensor or a bigger battery could push the weight over the 250-gram mark, which would change the game entirely. But that doesn't mean DJI can't innovate while staying under this limit. There are still a number of ways the Mini 5 Pro can improve upon its predecessors without compromising its weight. Let's start with one of the most anticipated upgrades: the camera. According to rumors circulating in various drone forums, many believe the Mini 5 Pro will feature a larger 1-inch sensor, which would be a significant step up from the 1x1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor would vastly improve the overall image quality, offering sharper details, especially in low-light conditions, as the sensor can capture more light. While some may be hoping for a resolution bump, this seems less likely, as DJI tends to prioritize sensor quality and low-light performance over higher resolution in its Mini series. Aside from the camera, there are other areas where the Mini 5 Pro is expected to shine. One of the most requested improvements is better AI tracking. While the current model does a decent job of tracking subjects, users want more accuracy, particularly when following fast-moving vehicles. Enhanced AI tracking would make the drone even more appealing for action shots and professional content creators. Another rumored feature is the inclusion of 5G connectivity, which would significantly improve control over the drone and offer high-resolution live transmission during flights. This upgrade could be a game-changer for users who want more precise, real-time control over their drone's movements and camera. Now, let's talk about the release date. If DJI sticks to its usual development and release cycle, we can expect the Mini 5 Pro to hit the market around November this year. DJI typically takes about a year for the research and development of its Mini series, and the Mini 4 Pro was launched roughly a year after the Mini 3 Pro. So, based on this pattern, it's reasonable to assume the Mini 5 Pro will make its debut around late 2024. While we can expect the DJI Mini 5 Pro to be an incremental upgrade over the Mini 4 Pro, that doesn't mean it won't be impressive. With a larger sensor for better dynamic range and low-light performance, improved AI tracking, and possibly 5G connectivity, the Mini 5 Pro could easily become the best beginner drone on the market. If DJI manages to maintain its current 40-minute flight time while making these enhancements, it will offer a well-rounded experience for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. What are your expectations for the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Are you hoping for a major overhaul, or are incremental improvements enough to keep you interested? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest tech news and drone updates.